For industrial UAV operators, one of the greatest challenges is flying close enough for a thorough inspection while still maintaining a safe distance from your subject. Introducing the Zenmuse Z30, DJI's most powerful long-range aerial zoom lens, engineered for industrial applications. The camera platform offers up to 30 times optical magnification for detailed inspection without any risk of close proximity flying. Compatibility with DJI's Matrice 600 and M100 gives enterprise users the reliability of a fully integrated system that works right out of the box.
In our inspection work, drones have now become a vital tool for quickly gathering the information we need, but we haven't been able to get as close to some of the structures as we would like. With DJI's new Zenmuse Z30, we finally have the fast and flexible tool for capturing the smallest details of the assets we're inspecting, while maintaining a safe distance between the drone and the structures. This avoids mobilizing expensive and awkward crane equipment, and we reduce operational risks by keeping all personnel safely on the ground.
The Zenmuse Z30 is fitted with a lightweight telephoto lens that offers 30 times optical zoom, with an additional 6 times digital zoom. The camera sensor captures photos and video at full HD 1080p resolution, up to 30 frames per second.
As a firefighter, everything depends upon the speed of operation. And the more information and intelligence we have to make the decisions, it makes our jobs much easier and much safer. The Z30's powerful zoom, matched with the Matrice 600's stability, allows our firefighters to scan large areas and punch in quickly. This is extremely important when dealing with explosives or large incidents with so many unknown risks.
With such a long-range zoom, every micro movement or vibration of the aircraft is magnified. Thanks to DJI's industry-leading gimbal technology, this is kept under control with an accuracy of 0.01 degrees. The Zenmuse Z30 integrates seamlessly with the Matrice 100 quadcopter, as well as the M600 hexacopter, which gives operators up to 35 minutes of flight time. When used with the A3 flight controller, operators can take advantage of intelligent features that take all of the guesswork out of flying.
Using the point of interest flight mode, we can set the system to circle the tower at a constant safe radius, keeping the tower in the center frame at all times. The aircraft takes care of the flying for us, so we can see all the details that the drone is capturing. I'm able to capture still images for later analysis or live video for real-time inspections.
The Zenmuse Z30 also includes new smart zoom features that are readily available through the DJI Go app.
Intelligent features like tap zoom allow us to be quick and accurate with very little effort. You simply find your subject, tap on the screen, and the camera zooms right in for you, so you can focus on getting the shot and working with your client. In any inspection scenario, burst mode comes in really handy for capturing images. I really like using it in conjunction with waypoints. This way we can set a mission, let the aircraft do the flying, and then we can take a burst of 3 or 5 photos. That way, we don't miss a thing. I can ensure that the clients get all the materials they need and more.
High-quality, long-range imaging makes commercial UAV operations safer, easier, and more efficient. DJI Zenmuse Z30 is a huge step forward for enterprise users in every industry, combining powerful and long-range imaging capability with the ease and accessibility of a fully integrated platform.